Oh, can you see that? Let's see if I can get the flip it around. It's 12/17, Tuesday, January 2nd, 2018. It's 23 degrees out here and wherever, Dallas. Okay, and flip this around and hello. Okay, so a bit far away, but I just want to show you that this here, let's see here, kick that out, all right. We've got, all right, so here's a, all right, so on batteries, let's see here, the tape. Let's start off with a recording. All right, so here is, the tone is half, volume is half, that's all half, I think, so it's recording. Yeah, it's recording now. You should be able to, well, okay. You can't see it. Put it on a level. So if I put it on a level, all right, well, level, okay. How about this? Let's do this. Let's zoom into with the camera, all right? Let's, I am recording, right? Yeah. All right, so this one is a bit stiff. Oh, that's good. We're out here in the, it's cloudy out here. Let's see. All right, I don't know if I can, if you can see this, but here, if I talk really, if you see this, that moving, hello, yeah, okay, I can see it moving. I don't know if you can see it in the camera moving, but it's moving, okay, and I've been talking all this time on this side. If I went over here and talk on this side, hello, but it's not going to hear anything, but we can flip it to the radio. We've got it on.
What'd you say? Want a request? We got you.
The all request lunch hour.
97.9 the beat.
So I don't want to sell that song, so let's just turn the volume down. Let's hit rewind, hit stop, and then hit play. Put it on there. I can see it moving. I don't know if you can see it in the camera moving, but it's moving. Okay, so I've been talking all this time on this side. Oh, you didn't see me at all. All right, here. This side, hello, but it's not going to hear anything. Well, who knows? Anyway. The radio, we got it on. Okay, I don't have stereo microphones out here because the camera's over there. Anyway, so I'm trying to do this thing inside of the time. See if I can read some in excess. Okay, Suicide Blonde. All right, a few seconds of that. So here we go. Play. Try this tape here, which side here. Alright, so I don't want to sell that, but so bottom line here is it all works. The switch caps are missing, or I have them, but they won't stay on. This only records on this channel. On this channel is very light. But it does play. It does play in both channels really well. So,
what'd you say? Want a request? We got.
Well, that's not a good. That's. Wait. If I go back to the recorded music, like on this type, I'll flip it over to this side. Hopefully, I won't sell anything there. Let's see here. So it gives you sound out of both channels, also on the radio.
You know I'm down to,
She said when, and I said how about
Anyway, so it all works. Stereo accent doesn't work. This does work in all features. This, like that, tape, radio, loudness, As far as plug-in features, it's got that, which is your 9 volt and 12 volt. It's got external speakers via RCA jacks. Wait, I can't see me, but and it's got left and right microphones with a the remote, and it's got your oscillator switch. Takes 60 batteries, and that's it. I'm done. Good day. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Let's see, was it still framed in the camera? Yes, it is. Very good. All right. Well, this is the resurgence of Decent Man for You. I gotta go. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed.